Hey friends, if you wish to create a hanging indent in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, what is a hanging indent? So, an indent is a little space behind every paragraph. And this works in almost all editing styles except for one, which is the APA editing style. In the APA editing style, we use the hanging indent, and I'll show you what the hanging indent is before I explain what it is. So go to the home section, go to the paragraph section, go to this paragraph settings, select an indentation which is 0.5. Okay, you can select 0.6, 0.7, whatever you want to, and that is towards the left. And then under special, click on hanging, and then click on OK. Okay, and this is where you will need the indentation because they have given the indentation to the title. I will show you how to give indentation to this one. Let's say I want to make it 0.7 centimeter, and then hanging, and then okay. So in this case, except for the first line, I'm not saying the first sentence, the first line, all other lines will start after 0.7 centimeter. This is what a hanging indent is, and this is used in the APA style of editing. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.